Hi friends! Alam mo ba na pwede kang maging healthy at the same time kumita ng extra income? Yes, it's possible. Let me share something exciting with you. Aaminin ko, sa panahon ngayon, mahirap maging consistent sa pagiging healthy. Ang daming fast foods, busy schedules, at minsan kulang ang motivation. Pero paano kung sabihin ko sa iyo ngayon na may paraan para maging healthier ka and at the same time, pwede kang magkaroon ng dagdag na income? Sounds good, di ba? That's exactly what we're doing in Heroes Academy. We have Heroes Health Forum. Heroes Academy is not your ordinary health group. Dito, tuturuan ka namin paano mag-maintain ng healthy lifestyle without sacrificing the food you love. Second, paano maging fit and strong kahit nasa bahay ka lang. At ang bonus, paano ka pwedeng kumita ng extra habang ine-enjoy ang journey mo to better health. Imagine this, guys, a healthier and more energetic version of you plus extra income para sa pangarap mo or dagdag savings. Hindi mo kailangang maging expert. We've got everything you need. Tools, support, and super fun community na tutulong sa'yo every step of the way. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Be part of our growing family. Message mo ako ngayon para malaman mo kung paano ka magsisimula. Remember this, ang best investment, kalusugan mo. Why not level it up by earning too? Diba? Tara, sabay tayo. Sabay tayong maging healthy and wealthy. Woohoo! Friend, don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Excited na kaming makasama ka sa journey na to. Let's do this together. Let me know if you'd like me to tweak this further. Message me. Bye-bye. God bless. Woo!